Hi everyone. So I'm here back at my shop and there's something. Since I got my wagon done, I don't have a car that I have to work on. Well, that's why I got another one. So yeah, this is my new 2003 BMW 330i, and I'm going to roll a clip right now how I'm picking up this car from the auction. So the setup looks like this. I'm monitoring on my phone and also monitoring on the laptop. Here's the car. It's going to run in 14 minutes. Well, let's go. Let's see. 12.5 Washington. Bid 1,400. Pure sale, that's good. $1,400. What? Are you joking? $1,400? This is kind of scary now. Well, I just rented the car and I'm going to pick it up right now from the airport. Planning on going to Washington to pick up my new 330 BMW tonight. I used to sell these cars. Jeep Grand Cherokee, that's what I got as an economy vehicle. And it's burgundy. Kind of excited for this car, kind of not, I don't know. Wonder how it's going to do on fuel economy, but other than that, it's pretty comfy. Sound system is really nice, so should be pretty good. Really familiar with these vehicles. But yeah. We'll see how she does on fuel economy. I think I'm packed and ready to go. Let's begin. application. Everything is great. No accidents, no anything. Really hungry. It was a straight 11 hours of driving with no sleep. So gonna need to have some food now. We'll pull over soon and try to find some good brunch places. And then gonna go straight to Copart. Okay, driving my 330i that I got from Copart. I think the best way to describe this car is going to be just, she's rough. Needs a lot of TLC and things that needs to be fixed. So far, from what I see, has a cracked windshield. Both fenders would need to be replaced. Driver's door would need to be replaced. But yeah, the bad thing is that my camera is dying right now and I don't have a charger, so looks like this trip is going to be pretty bad documented. So lack of content.